Pasta lovers, take note. This is not a standard pesto, but a surprisingly delicious kale pesto. Super creamy, full of flavor and quick to make. We start with the basics. Heat the olive oil and fry the garlic briefly. Smells good already, right? Add kale and let it shrink for a while. Are you thinking kale and pasta? Trust me, you'll make this more often. Add a little water, which will make the kale perfectly cooked in just 5 minutes. Time to blend. And some extra olive oil. Add pine nuts, cheese, mix briefly and tada! Creamy pesto. And in the meantime, we will cook the spaghetti. Tip: use plenty of salt in the water for extra flavor, just like the Italians do. Stir the pesto through the pasta. Add some dried tomatoes and roasted pine nuts for that extra bite. Finish with a generous layer of pecorino. And that's it. A plate full of comfort food with a twist. Make it? Yes, definitely. Tag me if you've tried it. Enjoy! Subscribe for more quick and easy recipes.